Hey there! Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your pool or frustrated with robots that miss spots or get stuck? If the answer is yes, well, you might want to stick around for this one. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the FANTTIK Aero X, the world's first robotic pool cleaner with a dual system cleaning design and advanced navigation. Before we get started, I want to mention that this robot pool cleaner was provided to us by FANTTIK in exchange for a review, and this is a paid collaboration. While I appreciate their support for my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. So feel free to stick around as we explore everything that this robotic pool cleaner has to offer. With no further ado, let's jump right in. So the unboxing, as you can see, is pretty simple and straightforward. You get all the necessary accessories along with the pool cleaner itself. Starting with what makes this robot a game changer. The FANTTIK Aero X is the world's first robotic pool cleaner equipped with a dual system design, where the roller brush and wheels operate as two independent systems. That means smoother, more efficient navigation, especially when combined with its 12 high-precision sensors, including sonar, gyroscope, and speed sensors that make up its FSD Smart Path Planning system. And here is a fun fact. This pool robot was developed by a team with roots at DJI, which is a famous brand, the drone masters themselves, combining cutting-edge aerial sensor tech with pool cleaning, so no surprise that the Aero X already won the 2025 American Good Design Award even before it officially launched. Moving on to the heart of its cleaning power, the TwinFlex cleaning system. This is powered by Adapt Drive, an active invert brush system that adjusts rotation speed to scrub away stubborn edge and waterline stains, and the Swift Cruise mobile platform, which gives it outstanding traction and agility on various pool surfaces. So whether your pool is rectangular, round, or freeform, this system adapts with ease. Now let's talk efficiency. With a cleaning speed of 1076 square feet per hour and a wide 15.7-inch rotating brush, the Aero X covers more ground in less time. Its Aqua Pilot system uses ultrasonic tech and smart navigation to map the pool in real time and optimize coverage from the floor to the waterline. And also it is fully app controlled, which gives you real-time customization without having to pull the robot from the water. And there is also a handheld remote control for adjusting the path or targeting specific areas manually. Convenience at its finest. As far as I remember, this is the only robot that allows you to manually move the robot to specific areas and target specific corners or areas that the robot couldn't reach or miss in the previous cleaning sessions. You will also appreciate the little things that this robot offers: a runtime of up to 6 hours, automatic poolside docking when the battery is low, and even voice prompts for live feedback. It's all built for a smooth, smart experience. And right now, FANTTIK is running an insane promotion, which is buy one Aero X and you will get either a free W10 Apex cordless chainsaw worth $150. As you can see, it's a great cordless chainsaw and very useful to have, and the best part is that you get it for free with your purchase. Or also you can get a free C8 Nano electric scissor valued at $70, which is also a great product to have whenever you need it, which is a very handy tool and useful as well. So I will leave the Amazon link in the description below so you can grab yours before the deal ends, so take advantage while it lasts. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing robot pole cleaner by FANTTIK. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and find this review helpful and useful, and that I helped you decide whether the FANTTIK Aero X is the best robotic pole cleaner for you. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. See you in the next video. Peace.